welcome to another episode of Feelings Explained. Follow us on all our social media, which is Feelings XPLAINAD.
Please support our show through donating any amount, and also don't forget to click on the bell button so you'll be notified for our next episodes. Don't miss your chance to write us any of your letters, chicas, cuentos, hate mails, whatever it is. You can send in your letters to feelingsxplainad@gmail.com.
Amazing. Okay,
Amazing.
Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Ooh, okay. I have a win. So I have been religiously counting my steps. Wow.
Amazing.
Hindi naman ako nagbibilang talaga, but because I have this smartwatch now, which before, ang dream na dream ko lang talaga, Pat, was to have an Apple Watch. Because I'm a basic bitch who wants everything to be Apple. But that is just not gonna happen for me anytime soon.
Yes.
So parang ang gusto ko lang naman talaga ay mapush ako na mag-move every day. I have been religiously hitting my 8K to 10K steps so far, at I feel great. Like, I mean, I feel fucking amazing.
Yeah, you're getting your steps in.
Yeah, I love it. So yun, happy ako na nahihit ko siya with the help of my smartwatch, which is Huawei.
Huawei baka naman.
Huawei baka naman. Product placement na yon. O, diba? It's 9:22, brought to you by Huawei.
Wow!
My God!
My God, we're endorsing right now.
Shit. Ayun, back to you, Pat. What is your small win or shit of the week?
Ako, I have shit of the week.
Okay.
So meron tayong isang episode na technology is working against us. My God, in this day and age. Naputol yung recording kung kailan nalaman namin kung kailan tapos na.
Tapos na. As in, sobrang proud pa kami doon. O sasali ako doon sa shit of the week mo kasi kasama ako doon eh. Sis, tuwan-tuwa kami. Sabi namin, wow, what a flawless recording. Perfect.
Yes.
Walang dead air. Perfect.
I know.
The energy, sustained momentum. Perfect.
I know.
The verbs.
The verbs are verbing. Tapos, biglang
wala yung recording, guys.
naputol.
Buti na lang may backup kami.
Kaya nga, buti na lang talaga, guys. Kaya, ayun. So, sana po, itong cellphone na to, hindi ko na sabihin yung brand dahil hindi naman kami sponsor nitong brand na to.
Tama.
Dapat sana naman makisama kayo.
Mo naman.
Oo, tapos biglang sinilip ko, hindi pala
Nag-record.
Putang ina. So, yun. Yun
So,
po ang aking shit of the week.
At alam, ilang beses nangyari sa atin, diba? Di ba parang before, meron din tayong ganyang instance. Isang
recording.
pa lang yun, no?
Oo, na
Walang
hindi natin na-record. Oo.
Season 1 yun. Ayun, mga rookie podcasters pa kami nun.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
For this episode, and I know, Gian, you're very, very excited for this.
Oh, yes!
Okay, so the episode that we're gonna tackle right now is about outgrowing people.
Yes.
Yon.
Yes.
So,
and maybe we should add the habits also. Or
siguro. Yeah.
Ano mga pwede natin outgrow?
Yes, yan. Start with people first before we dive into habits. Kailan mo na-realize na you were outgrowing people?
I think, pag kine-question ko na rin yung relationship ko with the person, doon nagsisimula na parang, bakit ko nga ba siya friend? Or bakit nga ba nasa buhay ko pa siya? Bakit ako nasa buhay niya pa? What's the purpose? Hindi naman kailangan deep yung rason, pero it has to answer the question why. Why are we here? Why am I here? Ganon.
Yeah.
So parang that goes the same with people. Kasi dati naman, di ba, pag bagets ka, hindi mo na, even kahit college ka, parang very mababa or surface level lang yung understanding mo ng adult friendships. Or maybe hindi pa nga ganun ka-deep eh. Parang alam mo lang na magkaklase kayo, kaya friends kayo, ganon.
Yeah.
So, blockmates, so friends. But it goes so much deeper than that after your studies eh. Parang pag nasa real world ka na, dun mo na talaga din makikilala yung sarili mo. So parang, because you're learning so much more about yourself in a deeper level, when you realize na the people around you are just not it, you have to recalibrate the shit. And so, I'm sorry, but I gotta go. Or you gotta go your own way, and I'm going my way. So, yun ang aking unang signal.
Tama yung sinabi mo kung hindi na kami nag-a-align. Tapos yung marami ng, yung parang nababother ka na, mismo na parang, yung comments niya, it doesn't really sit well with me.
Ah, yes.
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 Before like, few homophobic people, they would make certain comments, even though they proclaim that they're not homophobic.
Okay.
But the comments really are.
Screams.
Screams
Homo.
homophobic. Alam mo yun?
Wild. Okay.
Noong una, parang dinadaan ko siya sa tawa.
Okay.
And then I realized, why? Why am I joining? Or why am I quietly participating and letting this farce, alam mo yun, go.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, mag-continue.
Uh-uh.
Hindi naman dapat. And
Against yun sa value mo.
Against yun sa values ko. And I'm part of the community. So,
Exactly.
so bakit ko siya hinahayaan?
Mm-mm.
So, hindi ako nakakatulong.
Mm-mm.
So, after nun, I started quietly cutting people off.
Okay. Was it easy for you to cut people? Or are you the type na kaya ko agad at hindi ko na masyado, I don't put much thought into it. When you're out, you're out. Ganon. Ganon ka ba?
Pinag-iisipan ko pero if it crossed the line,
Yeah.
wala nang isip-isip pa.
Pag may disrespect.
Parang sa'yo, it's very quiet. Hindi mo na siya papansinin. Pero ako, kasi din, pag pinansin niya ako, papansinin ko siya. Pero don't expect like the level of what we used to have.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So,
Ako,
I slowly, I'm pulling away. Ganon.
I have a question, and this is very personal, and I need your honest thoughts on it. So, like, what if person A, is friends with person B, and person B did something that is not aligned with what person A is believing in? Parang ganon. Pero it's not a direct, like, oh, she slit my throat. Alam mo yon?
Sige, let's put it na lang in this context. I'm person A, person B is someone, and he indirectly, or hindi niya sinasadya, said a homophobic comment.
Yeah, pwedeng ganon. Yes. How do you go about it? Like, I mean, you're not aligned, alam mo na, parang it turned sour for you, but it's a one-sided feeling na parang, for you, it's, I don't want this. But, technically, walang ginagawang masama si person B. How do you deal with that? Nag-quiz.
Friend ko to ha.
Friend mo siya.
Friend ko si
Yes.
person A.
It could be a long-term friend, parang years of friendship. Pero hindi kayo beshies. But
Basta,
they're really
basta,
good friends.
basta this person was part of my circle.
Ish. Yeah.
Ish, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Number one, kung hindi siya part ng circle ko, I probably would not call this person out.
Okay.
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 Pero kung first time ha,
Okay. Yeah.
kung first time, if it's, lang to ha, kung homophobic comment lang to ha,
Mm-mm.
I probably would not confront this person agad, pero kung paulit-ulit na lang, tapos kahit alam niya na nandun ako, or kahit sabihin natin hindi niya alam, hindi niya alam na yung sinasabi niya ay nakakasakit na, sasabihan ko siya. Pag sinabihan ko siya, tapos paulit-ulit pa lang din,
Makes sense.
I don't think
That's true.
it's gonna work. Pero ibang usapan pag kunyari, kung yung isang tao ay nasa person of power, or person of in
Si
a
person
position,
B.
kung si person B
Ah.
ay friends kami, tapos sabihin natin nasa person of power siya or
Yes.
something, I probably
Position of power.
position of power, I probably would not call them out ng ganon.
Yeah.
Kasi
Because it's hard. It's
hard.
complicated.
Yes, and then it makes me sound like a hypocrite, and I'm sorry sa mga kasama ko po, sa mga kaliga ko po. Pero hindi, I wish I am that brave. Turuan niyo po ako, guys. Willing po ako, promise.
Mag-workshop.
Oo, willing po ako mag-workshop. I mean, I feel like a bad bi person. We're not calling them out. Pero kung hindi homophobic comment, I probably wouldn't say anything.
Oo. Okay.
Pero pag tinanong niya na ako na, do we have a problem?
Okay.
Tsaka ako sabihin sa kanya.
But you know what? That happened to me. That me being asked, do we have a problem? Or something along those lines. Na parang, uy, okay ba tayo? I think there's parang there are times kasi na I really do not want to respond to that. Like, are you entitled to really get an answer from me. Yun yung thinking ko ngayon eh. I'm very, very protective of, I don't know what this is, but this.
Nagigets kita ngayon.
Yes.
Kasi, it's like, if you really have to ask,
then there must be something. Diba?
yeah, nagigets kita doon.
Maybe fucking read the room. You know? I really want you to read the room.
I get your perspective.
Yes.
Ha?
Okay.
Ako ang sa akin lang. Para lang din, may clean cut
Okay.
para wala na, hindi na siya in limbo forever.
Okay.
Kasi I feel like,
makes sense. Yeah.
I feel like at some point, babalik pa rin siya kasi feeling nga niyang in limbo unless siya din yung type na tao na you're pulling away, then I'm pulling away too.
Yeah. That's true. And there are people din naman, iba eh. There are people naman na, wala naman ako naririnig na problema galing sa'yo eh. So, I'm just gonna act normal.
Yeah.
Diba? Ako personally, it's coming from my standards na parang, if you know me well, at this point in my life,
time, yeah.
you would know if there's something wrong.
Yeah.
You don't have to ask. You would know. Pat would fucking know that I am pissed, bitch.
Yeah.
Ganun.
If you have to ask,
Then-
like as Gian, if you have to ask, then they're probably
80-90%, yeah, maybe. Ako when I think about it, at pag kunwari, tinitignan ko ang sarili ko sa third POV, kumbaga, outside, tinatingnan ko ng ano ba tawag doon? Bird's eye view, gano'n. Ng sarili ko na parang, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Na, inaano ko lang, sinusweep off ko lang, ganyan. Kasi minsan mahirap sabihin eh. Parang, ikaw ba, gusto mo bang marinig sa akin na Pat, ayaw na kita maging kaibigan? Ayoko na.
Honestly?
Gusto mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw yon. And I know you can take it because you're that person na would ask another friend na, okay ba tayo?
Yeah.
Or like,
I'm always like
diba?
that.
Yeah. Ganun ka. And I guess meron tayong level of comfort sa isa't isa na if that ever happens, which I hope fucking not,
Yeah.
is that we're gonna be honest with each
Yeah.
other na, but I'm really not in the mood, bitch. Get
Yeah.
out. Yung ganon, diba? So like, but there are people who knew you from childhood or
Yeah.
grade school or something na hindi ka parang hindi na ganun ang pagkakakilala sa'yo.
Oh, yeah.
Na parang akala ata nila ay ganun ka pa ring tao. I think yun yung gusto kong ipaalala sa mga tao na it's not that. Like, that is almost close to impossible. That the person you met in 1995 is the same friend you have now at 2024. Maybe sa ibang beshies.
Yeah.
Pero, ang dami ng layers nun, sis.
Tsaka, pero kasi din, like, let's take my friendship with my best friends as an example.
Oh, yeah,
We've been
yeah.
friends
Yeah.
since 2002.
Mm.
So, they have been with me sa lahat ng ugali na nakita na nila. From all my bullshit, alam nila. At natatanggap kasi nila yon. Sabay namin natatanggap kung ano yung mga nagbago sa amin.
Yes. Kasi sabay kayong lumaki talaga.
Oo.
Iba kasi yung parang high school batchmate or college classmate. Pero pag, ewan ko feeling ko, yeah.
Kasi ako, may mga friends kasi ako na naging close ko ng grade school.
Okay.
Tapos, as in up until now,
Okay. Yeah.
close
Type pa din. Okay,
Type
so
pa
yeah,
din.
it's really different,
May mga,
I guess.
may mga college, may mga high school friends naman din ako na tight pa din kami. Merong iba naman din na loose na, wala na.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really
different for
different.
everybody. Maybe I'm such a freaking bitch. Hindi ko alam, Pat. Parang I can't keep fucking, I don't know.
Siguro ako, ito feeling ko lang. On your end, I feel like you believe na you don't owe anyone. Kasi then, you've always answered to people. Like psychologically, you've always answered to people. Kaya din parang napapagod na akong mag-explain. Kasi kung lahat inexplain ko na, so ano na lang yung...
Anong matitira sa
Do you like smart people kasi, te? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na lahat ng tao tanga. Ako yung mga ibang kaibigan tanga.
Actually,
Pero wala
I
ka ding...
appreciate the intelligence.
Tsaka wala kang panahon and wala ka ding siguro patience to spoon feed everything to people.
Because I've been doing that with
Yeah,
other
with
parts
other-
of my life.
Yeah, with your job first
Oh
of
my
all.
God, yeah.
Kasi yun naman they're paying you to do that.
Yeah,
diba?
that's true.
So for you to do that too, to also to
To friends,
I don't think, you don't have the bandwidth for that dahil yun, lahat yun naka-reserve na for work.
Correct.
Or for other
That's true.
important people, important things in your life.
Yes, and also because, siguro nga with the standards, I don't know, oh my God, ang hirap ko bang maging friend? Kasi, feeling ko sometimes I put these standards na I think realistic naman. Hindi naman ako humihingi ng, oh my God, 100 IQ. Hindi ganon. Walang ganon. Pero like, may level na parang, you know what? Yeah, you're in.
Gets.
So, minsan, honestly, hindi ko na alam na what is wrong with you. Like, can you not fucking accept people as they are? But I do. Like, you know how I accept you, how I accept this, how I accept. Pero like, there are people who just, I cannot. I've outgrown you. I'm sorry.
Yes, doon pumapasok siguro yung pag-outgrow eh. Kasi I don't think it's wrong to have standards.
Yep.
Pero, yung iba kasi, mas lalo ngayon, parang minamasama nila yung idea of standards.
Oh,
like,
totoo.
Dinidikit nila sa
a bad rep.
Oo. Or parang being like quote-unquote high maintenance or low maintenance. I feel like
ano ba? Saan ba lulugar?
I feel like hindi naman siya masama eh. It's just that meron ka lang ding certain na kung paano ka gusto itrato. Kasi yun eh. So if you don't want to accept shit, wala.
Yeah. Totoo.
That's why you accept my shit.
Yeah. And there are people that you can tolerate naman talaga. And you're willing to give that allowance. Kasi hindi naman talaga pwedeng, ito yung requirements ko ha. Pag hindi ka ganito, putang ina, umalis ka.
Hindi siya all or nothing.
Oo, of course not. But I think kasi, siguro na rin, with the level of contentment, or I would say, I've already found the people that I want to invest my time in.
Yeah.
Parang hindi ko na para pa i-extend yun sa ibang tao na mala-mala lang.
Gets.
Yun, parang ganun lang. Hindi siya naman na, you don't belong. Hindi ganun. Before kasi I was like friends with everybody. I think, oh my God. Yeah, it's coming from exhaustion talaga. Like, majority of my decisions are, because I'm exhausted already.
Yes.
So, I'm sorry, pero, totoo talaga, pagka ayaw ko na.
Totoo.
And I really, as much as possible, I don't want to get there.
Yeah.
Na parang, fuck, I don't wanna mess shit with other people. Pero, hindi ko na kaya I'm sorry.
Parang ano siya, it's like a silent battle. Na hindi niya alam na nasa battle siya na, wag mo akong dalhin dito, please.
Wag. I really don't wanna lose you, but at the same time, I cannot stand you anymore.
Yeah.
May ganun.
It's, ano siya din eh, siguro din itong setting standards is also protecting your peace. That's why you outgrow people eh. Tsaka, to be blunt, sa mga na-outgrow ko na tao at na-outgrow mo na tao, or in general, it's not always about you. It's about,
really not.
It's about how I process things and how, on what's important to me. You were important, but this thing between us, I just can't do it anymore.
Yep. Yes, exactly. Na parang, I'm sorry, but it's time.
Yeah.
It's time. Oo, parang oras na. Sorry, time's up. Wala na. Okay na.
Sis, meron ka bang, na-curious ako kasi nga ito, di ba, very conscious ka. Ito pinag-uusapan natin, conscious ka na nagka-cut off ka na ng tao dahil na-outgrow mo na. But was there a time na hindi mo napansin na, na-outgrow ko na pala siya?
Oo.
Na-outgrow ko na pala tong relationship na to?
Yes. I think it was when so many people, parang so many scenarios with other people ang nangyari to na napansin ko, medyo related siya din sa rebranding na parang before kasi ako yung friend, di ba, na always reaching out. Like,
yeah.
I'm gonna be that friend who would always be available. Sige, yes, girl, ganon. But then, I kind of like outgrew that habit of always saying yes. Kasi I was like, why am I the only one fucking asking shit? Bakit ako na naman ang buhay? Ako na naman ang source? Like, ano ko, Diyos? But you know that, parang, ayoko na. So, I kind of stopped. And so, when I realized na parang, matagal ko na, parang ang tagal na nangyayari pala yun, tsaka ko lang na-realize na, I'm over it.
Yeah.
And I didn't mean to, but like, I'm over it. And it's really good people that, I don't think I've lost them, pero I think on both ends, wala nang wala nang effort
Yeah.
that is being put into this friendship that used to be so tight and used to
Yeah.
be so parang inseparable.
Yeah.
And biglang nawala na. And I respect the fact that because personal things happen.
Yeah.
And no shade to those people kasi parang wala hindi din sa na-outgrow, parang siguro hindi nyo na naging priority yung isa't isa, which is sad. Minsan manghihinayang ka na, fuck, anong nangyari? What went wrong? Kahit naman wala naman talaga, di ba? Hindi mo man sinasadya, it's inevitable that those things happen. And sometimes walang reason.
Yeah.
Di ba na parang, hindi naman kayo nag-away, hindi naman kayo wala tapos na it's over. Ito, meron ka bang experience na akala mo na outgrow mo na yung tao, pero eventually, okay naman pala. Parang bumalik, may comeback, and then, it's okay na.
Yes.
Okay.
I thought I outgrew this person and I outgrew the friendship, pero hindi naman pala. It's just nagkalayo lang kami. And this was also my fault.
Proximity-wise?
Proximity-wise,
Okay.
hindi rin kami nakakapag-usap. And it was also partly my fault.
Mhm.
Kaya sinabi mo kanina na parang, ikaw yung type na tao na nag-reach out dati. Kasi siya yung gano'n, especially during the pandemic.
Yeah.
Siya yung type na nag-reach out. And for some reason, hindi ko siya nare-replyan.
Okay.
Hindi ko siya nare-replyan. Tapos I was also, just like trying to be me. Alam mo yun? Trying to protect something.
Okay.
Alam mo yun? Tapos, she confronted me about it. Tapos parang yun nga, sabi nga niya na hindi siya natuwa na gano'n yung nangyari sa amin. And I'm trying to be a good friend to her.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Kaya doon ko na-realize na, okay, hindi ko pala na-outgrow yung friendship. It's just that, space lang.
Yes.
Yung space lang. At saka, I'm also discovering who she is now.
Yep.
Kung sino
The person that
the person she is now. Kasi, wala naman masyadong pinagbago in a way. Pero, there are still differences. And I'm so happy na I know who she is now and who she was then.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay, at least you still have each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feeling ko kasi parang na-outgrew ko na rin yung pagiging mapag-unawa masyado.
Yeah.
And, as sa totoo lang, ayoko sana. Parang, I wish I was that person that understood it and okay lang sa akin.
Yeah.
Na kaya kong i-stomach na, kung ganito siya, tatanggapin kita.
Yeah.
Pero, oh my God, I feel very, very, this is such a personal thing for me kasi ang dami kong friends na ganun, na ayoko na sana humaba pa yung listahan.
Yeah.
Pero sobrang dami na so far na I've been giving so many, may
handouts.
Oo, ang dami ko nang binigay na chances na hindi mo man alam na binibigyan kita ng chances, pero I know for a fact that I have been so patient with you and yet I still get nothing.
I feel like dyan din siya nanggaling eh.
Talaga?
Parang ganyan na why is it always me who has to reach out?
Yep.
To always extend the hand.
So did you change your behavior? Or did you change something about yourself?
As much as possible.
To be the one who reach out.
Yeah,
naman.
as much as possible naman. Especially pag naaalala ko na I reach out.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so may mga ganun naman.
Kaya din nag-work.
Okay.
Okay.
Kasi kung ako din yung type na tao na pag sinabi niya, tapos parang
Walang ginawa.
hindi siya nag-spark ng
Change.
or ng something within me, I know na, okay lang.
It's over na.
Yeah, pero kasi nung sinabi niya yun, my heart broke.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, I had a hand in that. Kasi,
Yes.
kasi gets ko yung point niya and gets ko yung point mo na, ano mga man lang ba, yung kamustahin mo ako,
Oo.
hindi naman siya mahirap.
Oo.
I'm not asking a lot. I'm not asking for much. I'm just
Really?
asking you to
Yeah.
just message me and ask me, hey, how are you?
Yeah. Or share something about your fucking day and shit.
Yeah.
Because I've been through so much of that kind of friendship na, I'm not saying that it's all one-sided. Kasi
Yeah.
for a time, for sure, in the past, I have so many, parang kumbaga, great friends sila.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, they showed up for me in ways that I'm so grateful na, wow, thank you for being there for me when we were fucking 14, 16,
Yeah.
ganyan. Which is, okay, great, diba? Pero, I think, I've run out of patience
To do that.
to be able to understand more right now na parang, okay, sige hindi ka mangangamusta or hindi, actually, even na kamusta, hindi mo kailangan kamustahin eh. Kailangan mo lang magkwento. Kailangan mo lang magbigay ng konting something to like make me involved in your life for a bit. Cause like, where will I bounce off my energy that I'm ready to willingly give you, diba?
Yeah.
Without you giving me something na, hindi naman kailangan na, alam mo yun, yung tit for tat. Hindi eh. Pero, alam ko na madami na akong binigay. So like, where's the fucking return here? Kahit paano, diba?
At saka, ano man lang ba yung, kung hindi ka man lang mag-share ng energy, ano ba nga lang ba yung binakita kang video na alala mo ko, kaya may meaning na gusto mo lang
That's
i-share.
so fucking simple. And maybe because we're all caught up with adulthood, with our own shit.
Which is valid.
Yes, super. Pero like, for me not to be involved in any way, in any form, not a music link, not a fucking meme, then that means you really don't care much. And so, that's how I read it now.
Yeah.
Na parang, kung wala kang ibibigay, I'm not gonna give you a fucking sliver of my time now. It's emotionally eating me up kasi it's my friends who are really, really close to me. Like, I consider them my best friends. And I've been calling them out. As in, ito talaga feelers very honest.
Yeah.
This conversation happened. I keep on telling those friends. Kasi nga, nasa peak na ako na, nandun na ako sa moment na, tangina, I cannot fucking adjust for people anymore. No, it's over. That Gian is fucking dead. Sinabi ko dun sa friend one, I'm tired, ayoko na. Parang gumano na ako. As in, sinabi ko na, you know what? It's over. Ito yung scenario. I've been trying to reach out to that person and said na, uy, ito yung kwento ko. Gusto kong marinig mo yung kwento ko. I-record ko kapag may time ka na. So, sabihan mo ko. But she never got back to me. And that is months of kind of like pestering her or like parang checking in na parang, uy, ready ka na bang marinig tong kwento? Kasi gusto ko na talaga siyang i-process with you. So, I know that this kwento has been processed with other friends, but I want you to be part of this.
Yeah, and kung ano yung opinion mo about this thing happening in my life.
Yeah, and I know that if you're gonna fucking reply to me 7 months later, that fucking story is no longer relevant.
It's already processed without you.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna move on without you. As in, nandun na ako sa, I am giving ultimatums to these friends to make me feel like, paki-involve naman ako sa buhay mo kung gusto mo pa ako sa buhay mo, Because if not, you're not gonna give me a fucking shit, it's over.
Yeah.
Sis, I've done it to like 2 friends, 3 friends.
Yeah.
Kahit yung 50% ko, bigyan mo ng 10, okay na yun. It doesn't have to be equal.
Yeah.
I've been asking multiple times na parang, hey, are you free? Tapos, wala, there's nothing. Or if they respond, it's so fucking shit. Na parang, okay, I'm pretty sure you're going through shit. I understand that. I'm also going through shit. You don't know the fucking hell I've been through.
Yeah.
And I'm not trying to say na my pain or my shit suffering, whatever, is harder than yours. Pero, I'm here. I'm fucking giving you a hand. Aabutin mo lang, ate. So, kung ayaw mo na, I'm not gonna engage.
Yeah.
It's fucking over. And, I don't know, I think na nagising-gising naman yung iba kong friends.
Yeah.
Yun, na sinabihan. Yung isa, parang feeling ko nonchalant talaga siya. Okay, move on.
Yeah.
You know what? I realized this kind of like trauma or something. Basta this thing that I have with friends started when I was in high school.
Really?
Yeah. You're kind of the same with that person. I mean, I'm just saying na feeling ko, hindi. Iba. As in, iba yung reasons niya. Pero same din yung naramdaman ko na actually, yung sa kanya yung mas deep eh. Yung sa hindi, I don't feel like, I understand that, you know, there are things that you process on your own. It's just that, ang napapansin ko sa ibang tao, yun nga, meron silang, akin lang to. You don't have to know, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganon. May ganon yung ibang tao. Ako yung, hindi, kailangan may isang taong nakakaalam. Parang hindi ako parang hindi ko kayang, ako lang ang may alam nito. Alam mo yun? ang kaya ko lang itago sa sarili ko is yung plans ko. Like
Yeah.
my strategies. That's mine.
Diyan tayo nagkakaiba.
That's mine.
Oo. Kasi ako, the plans, the strategies, I have to involve other people.
That's
Because
so
I can't do
interesting.
it alone. I will fucking die.
yeah, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
the
yes.
problems stay here. The solution comes from the outside.
Ayan.
Oo.
Yeah, that's-
Ikaw, the problem has to go
Has to go out
outside. The solution has to go here.
Yes, that's so
Yun.
right.
So-
Perfect.
Opposites attract. Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's the
Ganon.
Scorpio Aquarius meshing together. But yeah, tama ka doon. Sobrang exactly like that. Na parang, putang ina, kailangan i-involve ko sila sa mga problema ko para Kasi ako, ang hugot ko doon is, I don't want things to be taken out of context. Na parang, if ako ay nagdedemonyo today, may rason bakit ako demonyo.
Gets.
No? Na parang,
Gets.
hindi ito dahil demonyo ako. Ito
Oo.
ay dahil sa mga nangyaring paghihirap
Oo.
sa aking buhay. Ganon.
Gets.
Na parang, I just want people to understand it so that, hindi din siya lost in translation. But I don't know if it's actually healthy. I don't really know.
I feel like that's a healthier option than what I do. Kasi ako, I do. Alam ko, hindi na to
Kinikim-kim
outgrowing.
mo eh.
Alam ko, hindi na to
Hindi siya
outgrowing. Pero,
Pero hindi, gets ko pa din.
oo.
It's aligned.
Pero ako kasi din yung type ng tao na hindi mo to problema. So, bakit
That's so
bakit
fucking
kita
legit.
ibo-burden dito? Dahil you
That's
also
so
have
legit.
other problems that you have to go through. So, for me, to unload something to you, nakahit just like an ear, and I know this sounds really crazy, kahit lang yung taong makikinig, I feel like yung load na yon sinishare ko sa'yo. Which is feeling ko, wala akong karapatan. Kaya minsan, di ba, if you remember, minsan nagtatanong ako sa'yo na, can I share this?
Yeah,
ganun.
exactly.
Oo. So,
And ako, bigla na ako magdadrop na
Magdadrop.
Pat, putang
oo.
ina.
Ayan.
You know
ganyan.
that? Yeah.
Minsan naman din ganyan ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Ganyan ako kanila Mita.
Yeah.
na-
It's
Takina
magic.
naiinis ako,
Oo.
ganyan. May mga times din talaga na ganun ako, pero may
Yeah.
times na sila Mita naman na ito yung mga mga times talaga na hindi ko na siya kayang salihin. Doon ako mag-unload na nalulungkot ako.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, ayan. Tapos,
Yeah.
they will help me process everything. They
Unearth.
will, pipilitin nilang ihugutin kung saan nang gagaling yan. Ganon. Oh my
And
God.
that's the best of friends.
That's
na
the
parang
best of friends.
who would
Yeah.
Go deep with you. Na parang,
Yeah.
okay, let's unpack this shit.
Yeah, they will open
Yeah.
the doors of Tartarus and say, ito yung rason. Did you heal your inner childhood yet? Girl.
My God, that is
My
so
God.
bad.
But
Oh my
in
God,
relation
that's
to
so
that,
bad. That's
I
so
know,
bad.
right?
Ah.
But in relation to that, sa outgrowing people, alam mo yung we've always discussed about, hanggang dito ka na lang.
With friends.
With friends.
people.
With
Yeah,
friends. Doon pumapasok yung, kaya pag na-outgrow ko na, yung parang, if I'm gonna take this step with you, pag ako ay uncomfortable,
Okay.
either, yun yung parang make it or break it, nabibigyan mo ba kita ng chance o hindi. Pero pag ginaw ko, that's good yung feeling ko after. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a chance eh.
Yeah.
Tapos marirealize ko na pag hindi na kita binigyan ng chance, pag sinabi ko, bigla akong binawin na, ay hindi, sige, next time na lang. Tapos I felt like that insane relief. I've outgrown this person.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you would know eh. You would know. Ako, nangyari din yan in a very sure way. Well, it was a slow burn, but also very certain that I don't really care if I lose you. And that is a testament na I'm really over it. I've
Yeah.
outgrown you. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Am I sorry? Actually, that's a thing that I actually asked din na parang, will I regret this decision? Pumapasok din yun na parang, will I regret the decision of letting this person go na? And I am the trick. Parang, I was the one who cut the fucking cord.
Yeah.
And with that, where do we go from here, Pat?
I think letting go is
The resurrection.
the resurrection. Hindi, ako, outgrowing people, it's just the circle of life. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
It's normal, it's natural.
Yeah.
It's painful,
Yep.
Although yung ibang tao at ibang there are other circumstances where it doesn't have to be painful, but the other person is making it painful. It's a really hard thing to go through. Kasi kailangan, masalo pag ikaw yung na-realize mo yun, na parang, itong friendship na to ay yung foundation niya ay hindi na enough.
Totoo.
Yun, nagka-crumble na siya. And that is so heartbreaking. Kahit hindi mo siya na-realize, kahit hindi mo siya na-process na gano'n na parang heartbreaking siya, it's still heartbreaking kasi may pinundar kang friendship, oras, memories, experiences na you just have to look back on it na lang.
Yep.
Hindi mo nakakasama din yung taong yan. But, it happens. And I guess, and that's okay.
Yeah, that's true. And I think with relationship, I don't think anybody started a friendship with somebody thinking that
It's gonna end.
This is gonna end at some point,
Yeah.
diba? But I think there's always the intention of like, oh, I hope we're gonna be friends forever.
Yeah.
Especially pag nando kayo sa peak na, oh my God, I love this person so much. And like,
Yeah.
thank you so much for existing, mga ganon. But then, so many fucking factors kasi play into it na may mga pagkakataon na dahil na-outgrow mo na yung mga beliefs mo, na-outgrow mo na si ganyan, kasama yung tao.
Totoo.
Na parang, as much as you don't want to, I think, yeah. And it's okay. And for the people who outgrew me, thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah. I'm happy for
it's
you.
Over. Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah.
okay. I think before, I would ask for reasons. Now, I just understand. As an adult,
Yeah.
now I understand completely. If you're going through the shit, I know how hard it is to like, parang explain, parang kumbaga, you don't owe me the explanation anymore.
Yeah.
It's like, if you wanna leave, just
Leave.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's so sad because hindi siya madali. Lalo na pag first time mo siyang ma-experience. Pero bilang ako ay isang gamit na pong kaibigan. Na madami na pong taong parang hindi naman sa nineglect ako. Pero at some point parang, oh, you don't wanna involve me? And so, why would I involve you?
Yeah.
And that's it for me.
Diyan po nagtatapos ang episode natin. This has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!